This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So my next question is, have you done any production validation?
Yes, actually I did. So after each of the sprint planning, each of the sprint, and we deploy our code in production. At the end of the last day, sometime we deploy during the sprint. And as I mentioned in the beginning, our deployment happened between the deployment window is 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Eastern time. So the production validation is the 6 to 7 scenario. We have the specific test data that we are going to use for the production validation, such as I have the specific the address that I can verify on the production. That address is verified with the credco, the credit, and what is called the Experian, and I have the specific test data for the checking the what is called the credit card. So this credit card actually, when I put this information in the production, it goes to actually the Experian and the credco. So these are actually the production test data, but we can verify on the production so that there is no actual transaction happen. So I have done this kind of things. It takes about after the deployment, it takes about 35 to 40 minutes. So if there is any issues, we actually address based on the issue severity of the issues. Sometimes we back the code to the staging, and sometimes actually the next morning we can actually discuss and we can actually continue. So again, yes, that's actually the scope of my production validation.